This is my honest review of Creamette Angel Hair Pasta. First thing I always like to show is the calorie. It is 200 calories per 2-ounce serving, which 2-ounce serving is a lot of pasta, I'm going to be honest with you. And it has 1 gram of fat per serving. Creamette Angel Hair Pasta is a popular pasta product that is known for its delicate and fine texture. The pasta is made from high-quality durum wheat semolina and water, and is shaped into long, thin strands that are perfect for pairing with light sauces and fresh ingredients, like a light butter and wine sauce and shrimp. It works great for that. We do that all the time. The pasta is easy to prepare with simple instructions that can be completed in under 10 minutes. It cooks quickly and evenly, creating a delicious and satisfying meal in no time. One of the benefits of Creamette Angel Hair Pasta is that it is a high-quality product made with natural ingredients. The pasta is non-GMO and does not contain any preservatives, making it a great option for those who want to enjoy a tasty and healthy meal. In addition to its great taste, the pasta is also a good source of carbohydrates, providing energy and fuel for the body. It can be paired with a variety of proteins, vegetables, and sauces, making it a versatile ingredient that can be used in many different recipes. I mean, it is super versatile. You can put anything on top of these pastas. Overall, Creamette Angel Hair Pasta is a delicious and convenient pasta option that is perfect for those who want to enjoy a light and delicate pasta. Its natural ingredients and nutritional value make it a great choice for those who want to enjoy a tasty and healthy meal. Like I said, we use it a lot of times for white clam sauce or a nice buttery wine sauce with shrimp. It's awesome. Go out and get yourself some Creamette Angel Hair Pasta. You won't be sorry.